Hello guys, what's up? Today I have a brand new Hydraknives tactical knife for you. We will be doing the unboxing. Let's see what we got inside the box. It's a hard box. Just opening. Already it has been opened and the seal was broken, possibly in the customs. Here we are seeing some legal maintenance information by Hydra to keep our knife more durable, and we see the name of the knife, Hawkeye, written on this piece here. Just taking it away. Here we see the knife itself, Hawkeye. It's a big knife, heavy knife. Just look how it is on my hand. We'll see it later. Let's check what else we have in the box. I'll just put this away. Here we have the Kydex sheet, hard case, and there is one attachment, black, real cool. What else we have? I will put them here. We'll come back to them later. Here, our favorite, some Paracord by Hydra. Thank you. You may remember from my other tactical knife, the Buzzard, there were also similar pieces like this one in the box, and you can use this on your tactical apparel, tactical clothings, and you can simply attach this. This is a Velcro patch by Hydra. Thanks again. This is new for me. A sticker with the Hydra logo, and yet another Velcro patch with the Hydra logo on it. Real cool. These are new for me. Here is a piece of paper to check the knife, how it is cutting. Is it sharp enough? It says, this piece of paper has been used in order to test the sharpening of your knife. We test our knives individually in order to ensure the maximum quality. Thank you. Real good. And this again was also present in the other unboxing video of Buzzard. It's like a balaclava or something. You need to wear it on your neck with the Hydra logo on it. That's also good. And one other sticker. There are quite many things. Yes. And this informative sheet. No, it's not the sheet. Yes. This is it. These are all we have on the box. Okay, let's put them away and let us focus on the knife itself. Here we have the knife, the Hawkeye. Yeah. So here we have the knife. I would like to talk to you about its specifications. Basically, it's made by the Spanish producer Hydra in the city of Albacete, which is famous for its knives. And this is a tactical knife, and it's a fixed blade knife, They are calling it like that. It takes its name from the hawk, which is the ultimate predator. And the name really fits it well. I like that. Yeah, the technical specifications. Blade length is 140 millimeters, and overall length of the knife is 270 millimeters. Blade thickness 5 millimeters, and bracelet width is 45 millimeters. That's good. It is on tan color. There is no other color option, but I really like this color. In fact, the color was one of the features that I like most when I'm choosing this one. And it has a black powder coating finishing. Handle color is tan, and the sheath kydex. This sheath is kydex. There are also leather materials as well, but Hydra is using this kydex, and this one is also as cool as the knife itself. Again, on tan color and black material. There is this nylon belt. You can use this one on your belts thanks to this accessory. Also, again, this one, you can attach it on your belts. Real good. The total weight of the knife is 525 grams. It's a heavy knife, as you can see. Let's see how it looks on the kydex. This piece also is adjustable. It looks like this. Again, you have your paracord. You can also use it to ornament your knife. You see, there is this hole, and you can use this hole for your knife lanyards. You can put a lanyard on it, and paracord and brass material is used for the lanyards as well, so maybe we can work on a project like this one. Just to give you an idea, I will show you my previous knife by Hydra. Again, this is the buzzard. It was a small knife, and this is the Hawkeye. Can you see the difference of the size? This was an EDC knife, basically, more than tactical. This one is real tactical. You cannot carry it every day on you, but still, I love them. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. Have a good day.